It's a really hot summer in Jamaica right now, and I know that a lot of persons really want to find some good drink recipes to really cool them down this summer. And that is why I'm going to be sharing a really healthy and delicious drink recipe that is definitely going to hydrate you this summer. Stay tuned. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Earth's Medicine, the channel that introduces you to the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. Like I said before, I'm going to be sharing a very healthy and delicious drink recipe with you today. It's a combination of passion fruits and pineapples. But before I do that, I'm going to be harvesting some fresh organic passion fruits from this vine. Then I'm going to head over into the pineapple field and I'll be harvesting some fresh organic pineapples. So let's get right into it.
Oh, that's actually good.
There's another one somewhere off here. There's one more right there. So. found some value in this video, guys. If you did, and you would like to see more videos like this one in the future, then go ahead and hit that subscription button right now. And please turn on your post notifications so that you will get an alert whenever I upload a new video. And guys, please leave a like and a comment and share this video as well, because it really helps out my channel a lot. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next week Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.